Hello, Papa J Learns Excel here. So today I'm going to teach you about date formatting. Alright, so I have this table over here that shows the month and the expenses over here. So let's put down a header that says recorded on a certain date. Okay, so let's say for January you recorded it on 5th Jan, and February you recorded it on 8th Feb, right? Okay, so for now, if you look at the date formatting over here, it says 5th-Jan-21. So if you don't like this formatting, you can change it. Okay, so you can change it by using a few methods. The first one is you right click and then you first click format cells, and you can go to date over here. In the category, go to date, and then you can select the formatting that you want. So for example, if you want to select, sometimes I like this formatting without a dash. Okay, you just click this and click okay. So you can see this formatting over here. Alright, another method is you can go to home, the home tab, and click on this, and you can click the dates over here. These two are typical dates that we showed. Okay, for short date and long date. But if you like to set your own dates, you can just click more number formats and it will show the same window as just now. So let's go to date and select another format. What format would you like? So probably this format. Yeah. Okay, let's click this. And okay, so let's try one for March. Let's try one for March. Okay, and let's go to let's suppose you record it on 17 March 21, and let's suppose that you don't want to show the date, you just want to show the month and the year. Okay, so what you can do is you can use the same method. Okay, go to more number formats and go to custom, and just click month, year. Alright, then you have it. Just showing the month and the year. Alright, that's it for today for date formatting. This is Papa J Learns Excel here. See you again. Bye.